Creativity is self-expression. The urge to be creative is equally strong in all children. This is Dennis. He loves to draw and paint, but he gets bored too fast. So he gets a tablet to motivate him to draw. He starts with dragging his fingers over the screen, and soon it turns into endless clicks and stares on the screen. Can we engage Dennis with physical play and entertain him through a screen to stimulate his mind in a fun way? So we build Skipy, a toy for creative play. Skipy is a simple gaming kit built around mixed reality. We have pushed the limits of creative playing so that you can draw anything and be entertained by your own creations. We are asking your patronage to help us reach every beautiful and creative mind out there.